Good morning, everyone. Here is little Aviv eating some homemade banana pancakes that I made this morning. Yeah. Look at that. He's having a lot of fun with that. Oh, mamma mia. Look at that.
No more ice cream.
Huh? You kidding me? No more ice cream?
Driving it away.
Aww. Well, maybe there's some inside. They have some, like a restaurant inside, a little cafe or whatever.
Yeah, but we can't get ice cream when it's this cold. We need to get some. We need to be inside.
Aviv can. Sweetie, where's the microphone on this camera? Sometimes I cover it and then a room. There's a snack bar in there somewhere. Oh my goodness, it's chilly. Because it's windy next to water and mountains. Multnomah Falls, everyone. Multnomah Falls! Oh. What's happening? So exciting! Is that awesome, Gabe, or what? So neat! It is cold, I know. We have no jackets.
Maybe we should go to the car now.
Yeah, we will go to the car after we hang out a little. Peekaboo! Yeah?
Mama, let's go to the car. Let's go to the car, Mama.
We're going here.
Come on, go.
I wish I could hold it all.
What? What, little guy? Yeah. Gabe, what's wrong with your legs? Oh, you silly boy.
Careful, baby.
I know, when Joey runs, I always get scared.
His pants are on his phone.
And I actually tighten his pants. He's got such a tiny little waist, it's crazy.
He is up.
Danny, when did you propose to me? 2 days before the wedding?
Yeah, maybe.
That's like 3 days away.
It was actually an hour.
We need to duplicate it again.
Record that sunshine.
It was an hour.
The sunshine is gorgeous.
Yeah.
He was telling me that he's a kitty. He is a kitty cat. Oh, it's really cold by the waterfall, huh? And here it's not so bad.
Gabe is way ahead over there.
Hi guys, we're home and I am prepping for dinner. So Gabe and Joey are taking a bath. Danny's taking care of Aviv so I can get all this situated. So yesterday we had steak for dinner, and like I said, we had a lot of leftover meat. So I made some like a stew, like a beef potato stew, as you can see. Besides the potatoes and the beef, there's onion and carrots. I added some mushrooms, just like chopped, like in big pieces, you know, and broth, homemade broth, and sea salt and black pepper, and of course some fresh rosemary. So that's kind of how it looks. There's Gabe asking for my attention. What's up, honey?
Dinner off, Joey.
Joey, why don't you clean a different wall? Joe loves to scrub things. Okay, so besides the stew, we are also having some homemade sauerkraut. It's ready! I tasted it yesterday. It's fabulous. This time it turned out wonderful. I don't know whether it was because my mama making it or because it's her pot. I don't know why, but it's fabulous. It's almost like spicy. That's what it tastes like. It feels like there's a little bit of like hot spice in there because but it's just the fermentation. It just gives you that like strong zing. So I'm gonna go fill a bowl with sauerkraut. This is what it looks like. I gotta get that napkin out. It's basically useless now. We do no longer need this. It did its job of covering and protecting it from dust or whatever, flies or I don't know what. So, and then Bubby's pickles. That's what we were gonna have for salad option. So yeah, let's mix this baby up. That's a lot of sauerkraut. I'm gonna give some to my mom, of course, because it's her labor of love. And I got two extra cabbages just so that I could have some for her too. Wow, this is definitely a lot of sauerkraut. I am like in heaven right now. I love sauerkraut. A few summers back, I don't know, give it a try. I don't know what it is, but what I'm saying is, I hear the kids in the background and it's totally like messing up my brain waves. What I'm saying is, a couple years ago, yes, sweetie.
Guess what? When it gets wet here.
This is supposed to stay dry. This is not supposed to get wet, sweetie.
But it's not wet.
It's a skin brush for dry brushing. I don't want him getting it wet, so. Okay, a few summers back, I just noticed that if I ate like a cup of sauerkraut, I felt unbelievable. Unbelievably good. So, yeah, give it a try. See if you make that connection too. Like if you eat some sauerkraut and then you feel like better or something, it's got to be all the probiotics. And you know what? On Dr. Mercola's website, he said, I think he had like a test done, like a lab test done. Sauerkraut has the most probiotics, like, I don't know, trillions or something. I don't know. It's got the most probiotics out of anything. Like the capsules don't come close, even kombucha and things like that. But yeah. So where's my pickles? I opened the fridge and I'm just standing and chatting with you. Forget the fridge. Who needs a fridge? Okay. Here's the Bobby's pickles. Yeah. It's for all the new people that if you're watching me, yeah, I keep repeating myself sometimes with the Bobby pickles and the sauerkraut and the kombucha and all that good stuff. But I mean, if you're new, then this is all new to you. So yeah, coolio. So I'm warming this up and I'm hoping that some of the liquid will evaporate as it heats up because it's a little bit too liquidy for my liking. Oh my goodness, I almost dropped the camera in this bowl. But here it is. Simple, simple. Oh, sweetheart, we don't really need it anymore. And you're dropping sauerkraut on the carpet. Good stuff. You don't need to eat the leaves. You can eat the sauerkraut. Hold on. I already put some in a bowl, okay?
Okay.
So, hold on.
I want to have them now.
You will do want some potatoes and meat?
I know. I need one.
Okay.
Sauerkraut.
Okay.